ThinkPad L14 General 3 12th Gen. Lenovo makes a lot of laptops, but the ThinkPad is arguably their most recognizable product lineup. What is even funnier is that Lenovo isn't the creator of this brand. It was IBM, but Lenovo has purchased it 17 years ago. Interestingly, some of the original features, which are connected to the product, are still here. The fantastic keyboard, the track point, and most importantly, the reliability. As with many ThinkPads, there are a couple of options regarding the build materials of the product. You can get a plastic or an aluminum lid, either of which can be paired with a plastic or a carbon fiber base. The thinnest model you can choose is aluminum plus carbon fiber, which has a profile of 18.7 mm, respectively. The thickest relies on an all-plastic assembly, which sits at 19.8 mm. Most of this device's I/O is situated on the left side. There, you will find a LAN port, a USB Type-C 3.2, General 1, port with an always-on function, a Thunderbolt 4 connector, an HDMI connector, a USB Type-A 3.2, General 1, port, an audio jack, and a smart card reader. Then, on the right, you get a Kensington lock slot, another USB Type-A 3.2, General 1, port, and a microSD card reader. Furthermore, the backside houses a SIM card tray for 4G connectivity. The top one houses an HD, or an optional Full HD, web camera with a privacy shutter, and an IR face recognition scanner. Since the speakers are placed above the keyboard, the bottom panel is only home to the ventilation grill. When the single fan takes the cool air, it works it through a heatsink and vents it out through the right side of the laptop. The power button, fingerprint reader combo. The keyboard itself is a typical ThinkPad unit with lots of key travel, clicky feedback, backlight, and spill resistance. Display quality. Lenovo ThinkPad L14 General 3 sports a full HD IPS display, model number Chi-Mei, Innolux, N140HC AE5B, Len 40A9. Its diagonal is 14 inches, 35.56 centimeters, and the resolution 1920x1080. Additionally, the screen ratio is 16:9, the pixel density 157 pixels per inch, their pitch 0. 161 by 0.161 mm. The screen can be considered retina when viewed from at least 56 centimeters. From this distance, the average human eye can't see the individual pixels. The battery tests with the Windows Better Performance setting turned on, screen brightness adjusted to 120 nits, and all other programs turned off except for the one we're testing the notebook with. Our unit is equipped with a 57 Wh battery pack. It lasts for 11 hours and 15 minutes of web browsing, or 10 hours and 18 minutes of video playback. To get inside this notebook, you first need to remove the SIM card tray. Then, undo all 11 captive Phillips head screws, and pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool. This laptop's battery has a capacity of 57 watt-hours. It lasts for 11 hours of web browsing, or 10 hours of video playback. To remove it, unplug the connector from the motherboard, and undo the 4 Phillips head screws, keeping it in place. Memory-wise, there are 2 SODIMM slots, which fit up to 64 GB of DDR4 memory in total. The storage slot is hidden beneath some tape. To access the M2 PCIe X4 General 4 slot, you need to undo 2 Phillips head screws.